Working in the UAE is not easy, especially when it comes to communication. As you know, people from all over the world visit the UAE. Being a security guard, I often have to interact with people who speak different languages like German, Russian, French, and many more. In the beginning, this was very difficult for me. But now, I use one application that helps me every day. Communication has become much easier using the Translator app. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to use this translator and how it can help you in real life situations. Stay connected, watch the video till end. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. So first of all, we'll just open our Play Store and then we'll search for the application called Translator. Okay, and I will show the application. This is the application I'm talking about. This is Yandex Translate. We'll just click here, and this application you will be finding it in your App Store as well as a Google Play Store. If you check, translate text, conversion, websites, and even photos like hello and hello. We help keep the conversation going in any situation and in any language. More, you see the interface looks like this. I'm using this application since a long time and it is very useful. So I'll just install the application. Okay, and I will show you step by step till the application gets installed. Please do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. So the application is installed and it looks like this, you see. So the interface looks somewhat like this, and as you can check, English and Russian I have selected. So what I will speak in English, this application will change the same thing to Russian language. Okay, so I will use the mic. Hello there, I am here, the security in charge for this building. How are you doing today and how may I help you? Just a normal conversation, okay? So whatever I have said, it will simply translate this thing in Russian language. And you can just use this. You see? So what I told in English, the application just translated it to Russian language, and also you can use this volume button if you want to just get the speech out of this text. Okay, and let's say you just click here and now this becomes Russian. Once your visitor or any other person whom you are communicating with, you just tap here and ask him to speak what he wants to tell you, and whenever he speaks the Russian language, in the same way this application will catch the language and it will translate the Russian language to English for me. Okay, just I will show you. We'll just click here again. Hi, I am the security guard in charge here in this building. How may I help you today? Okay, so I have copied this just to let you know. I'll clear everything. Now let's say that the person who is speaking Russian language, he told this, and you see it will get immediately changed to the English language, and this way you can communicate very easily. And again we just interchange, and someone opposite to you is like from German, so you search your German and like this. So again what you will do, will just, hi, this is the security in charge of this building. How may I help you today? And within a moment, you see, the sentence that I have said in English is translated to German, and you can just show this to the person, or you can just use the volume button. So this is a very wonderful application that I have been using since a long time, and it helps me every day to communicate with people with whom I am unable to communicate properly previously. And we have got a lot of languages here. Whichever language you want, you can just use it and translate your English language or the language you speak. Even if you speak in Hindi, let's say if you speak Hindi, and you want to translate it to, let's say, French. जी मैं यहाँ का सिक्योरिटी गार्ड किस प्रकार से आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ? You see, this is wonderful application. So this is how you will use this application, and you can use this in your day-to-day life. And I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.